The bunkhouse sits less than 10 feet uphill from the property's 100-year-old log cabin, approximately 150 feet up the sloping lot from the shore. The result feels private and secluded while capturing views to the west. The new bunkhouse mirrors this strategy, positioned to minimize disturbance to the forested site and frame views from the second floor. A new septic system is installed uphill of the bunkhouse and out of the floodplain to ensure the system will better withstand climate change and rising sea levels. The program called for comfortably accommodating as many family and friends as possible in a compact structure with water views. A covered porch leads to the bunkhouse entry and lower level comprised of a kitchenette, a built-in desk, and a bathroom designed to accommodate multiple users simultaneously. A central set of stairs leads to a second-floor sitting area designed around a large skylight affording views of the forest canopy and Bellingham Channel. The U-shaped sitting area is designed for casual conversation, a quiet place to read a book, and when needed, can comfortably sleep three. The bunkhouse's gable roof references the original cabin's traditional form while its asymmetrical overhang formally contains the second-floor sitting area and collects water for the potable water system. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.